Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a walkthrough video for your project and how you can export it out from the Revit. Now this is a floor plan in which we are going to create a walkthrough video. So I have planned to make a walkthrough video from this point, which is a starting point, to the last point, which is till here. So now you have to select the walkthrough from the 3D drop-down menu, which is here, and you have to click on walkthrough. Now these are all the default values for the walkthrough, and the offset is 5 feet 6 inch, which is from the ground level. And now we have to assign the starting point of the walkthrough keyframe until the last point, just like I'm going to do right now. With each click, we are creating a new keyframe, just like this, and this is our last point. Finish the walkthrough from here. Now go to the edit walkthrough option. From here you can adjust all of your walkthrough keyframes by going to the control option here and selecting the path option. You can adjust the walkthrough keyframe just by clicking on it in a way you want. It's up to you. Just adjust all of the keyframe which you want to adjust, and you can add a new keyframe by going to the control option as well, and you can also remove the existing keyframe by going to the control option, which I'm going to show you now. By going to the control option, you can select a new keyframe, add a new keyframe, and you can also remove it just by clicking on it. And now let's go to the edit walkthrough option and see what else we can do from there. So here is our previous frame option. We can jump back to a previous frame just by clicking on it, just like that. You can also play the video just by clicking on a play button, and you can see the preview of your walkthrough. Now this walkthrough is playing in a 2D view. You can also preview it in a 3D view as well. So let's cancel it and check it in a 3D view. And yes, you can go to the 3D walkthrough view from the project browser and go to the edit walkthrough option from there. See, now you can adjust the number of frames from this option, clicking on it. These are the total number of frames, which is 300 by default. If you increase the total number of frames, the duration of your video will also be increases, and the resolution also increases. And if you decrease the total number of frames, the duration of the video also decreases, and the quality as well. I'm going to keep 100 number of frames. Let's apply OK and check it in a edit walkthrough option and play. So now you can see our video has been playing very fast, which is why I keep 100 as my frame rate, because if I keep my frame rate higher, the video will play very slow and the duration of the video will also be increases. And I don't want the uniform speed in all of my keyframes. You can uncheck the uniform speed, and you can reduce the acceleration value to 0.5, which is half of the current value, and I want it at second keyframe and at my fifth keyframe. You can see it in a preview that the walkthrough video will be slowed down at the second and the fifth keyframe. You can see the other keyframes are a bit faster than the second and fifth keyframe because we have reduced the acceleration values of those keyframes. Now the walkthrough has been created. I'm going to show you how to export it out from the Revit. Go to the file option and see for the export option, which is here, and search for image and animation. Select walkthrough from here. You can select the visual style and see the duration of the video. These are all the styles, and I'm going to select realistic for our walkthrough video. It will take some time to export it out from the Revit, and if you want it in a higher resolution, you can select a rendered style, but it will take much more time and much more space in your computer, but definitely you will get the best quality. For that you can go with render style. Now the walkthrough has been exported. I'm going to show you the exported file. Now you can see the exported file, which is in realistic mode. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.